Hey everybody, it's Kate with Crate Insider, and this week for Top 5 Tuesday, wanted to highlight a couple of new products that we have in the store, as well as I would like to just talk about a couple of things that are just getting back into stock. Not everything is always easy to get this time of year, coming out of the super busy season, so thought I would highlight some of the things that are going to be back in stock. So we've just added a new product here at Crate Insider, and these are going to be our screw-in rocker studs. So I understand that in some divisions that these have become legal for the 602s, and so these are a genuine GM part, and there we go. So this right here is a whole set of them. I'm not sure how many are in this box, but we'll flash it up on the screen, and we've got a whole set of these. You can order them now. This is part number 1237-1058, brand new part here. So if you want these for your 602, we've got them right here in stock. We've added another product here at Crate Insider, and these are our AC Delco spark plugs, and they're for the CT525. So this is the standard GM spark plug that is used in the 525s, and now we have them. We've got this bulk packaging right here, and so now these are now available. So if you've been looking for some spark plugs for your 525s, we have the AC Delcos. These are going to be right alongside our brisk spark plugs that we have as well, and so whichever of those choices that works best for you, but it's just something new right here at Crate Insider. Very popular here at Crate Insider has been our stealth carburetors ever since we brought them in, and especially since we put them on the shelf, and they just kind of come in and they go away really, really fast. So we do have these for the 602 as well for the 604, and they're both set up for E85. So if you've been looking to either, whether it's time for a new carburetor, you want to make a switch, kind of whatever you want to do, maybe you're switching to E85 for the first time. I do have customers are very excited. They really love the stealth E85 carburetors. They've done really well. So we've got them here at Crate Insider on our shelves, ready to go out the door. A few weeks ago, when I introduced the Longacre shock inflation tool, I had no idea how popular that was going to become. So we almost immediately sold out of what we had on the shelf, ordered some more, and they're going fast, but I do have some still. So if you're looking for that, if you saw it, maybe you ran out of time, you can now pick that up in the store. So the Longacre shock inflation tool, definitely check out the video that I did with Ben Baker. He really explains it well, and how incredibly, what a great asset this is for your race team anytime you need to inflate your shocks. So back in stock, definitely pick one up. There's a whole lot of power packed into this little box right here. This is a set of our FK rod ends. This is a whole set that would be great for if you've got a Longhorn chassis. Actually, we've got different versions for the Barry Wright chassis as well for the Rocket. And what it consists of is all of the Heim joints that you need for those particular chassis builds. And we just make it really convenient so that you can just click one button and be able to have that whole set. It's a great way to have some backups. I mean, whether you're putting a whole car together, or if you just want backups of everything that's already on your car, then having one of our FK rod ends chassis sets for your Heims is a great way to go. Another simple but necessary item that we have here, these are genuine valve cover gaskets from GM. So if you're looking to replace your valve cover gaskets, we have the solution right here. I know this is one of those areas where you can't just go to the auto parts store and just put in something that's non-GM. That can really get you in some trouble with some rules, but these are the genuine parts, and they are we've been out of them, but now we've got them right back in stock. You can pick them right there up in our store at CrateInsider.com. So there we have it. That's Top 5 Tuesday for May the 6th, 2025. And I want to thank you so much for being here. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll look forward to seeing you in another video.